2019 का second day, where we saw Yami Gautam rocking a beautiful beige gown by designers Gauri and Nenika. But here's what caught our attention कि इस flowy princessy gown के साथ उन्हें designers ने cowboy boots pair करवाए थे. And I must tell you that she simply rocked the look. Well, there was a little tumbling on the ramp walk while the dress got a little caught up in the shoes. But Yami ने बड़े ही gracefully इस oops moment को संभाल लिया. Well, what do you have to say about the whole look? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to Her Zindagi's YouTube channel.